Did you know the Haitian Revolution helped reshape the United States? In the early 1800s, Napoleon dreamed of a French empire in the Americas, including the vast Louisiana Territory. But he had a major problem: Saint-Domingue, present-day Haiti, France's richest Caribbean colony. Revolutionary forces, known during the final struggle as the Armée Indigène under Jean-Jacques Dessalines, fought Napoleon's forces while disease and massive losses devastated the French expedition. France ultimately lost Saint-Domingue, which destroyed Napoleon's plans for an American empire. Then, in 1803, with war against Britain approaching and France needing money, Napoleon sold Louisiana to the United States for approximately $15 million. We're not talking about today's Louisiana. The purchase added about 828,000 square miles, nearly doubling the United States. The Haitian Revolution wasn't the only reason for the sale, but France's defeat in Saint-Domingue was an important factor. And remember this name, Jean-Jacques Dessalines. In 1804, he would declare Haiti's independence and later become Emperor of Haiti. Savannah, 1779. Louisiana, 1803. Different chapters. Another connection between Haitian and American history. History doesn't disappear because you didn't know it. Now you know.